Meaning of fourth dimension.
Fourth dimension.
Fourth dimension.
Fourth dimension.
Fourth dimension. The fourth dimension typically refers to a mathematical concept beyond the three dimensions of space that we experience in everyday life. It is often described as a spatial dimension that is perpendicular to the physical three dimensions of length, width, and height. However, the fourth dimension can also refer to other concepts such as time or alternative realities. The notion of a fourth dimension has been explored by mathematicians, physicists, philosophers, and artists throughout history, and continues to captivate our imagination as we seek to further understand the universe around us.